Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through fixing the issue of Safari failing to install a profile due to an unknown error on your iPhone. If you're encountering this problem, follow these steps to resolve it. Firstly, let's close the error notification. Then, navigate to your iPhone settings and find the Safari option. Within Safari settings, locate Clear History and Website Data and enable Close All tabs before clearing your Safari history. If the error persists, open Safari, access your history, and clear it. Return to iPhone settings, tap on General and check for any VPN or device management settings, disconnecting from VPN connections if necessary. If the issue persists, reset your network settings within the General settings. If all else fails, perform a forced restart on your iPhone and ensure a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error where Safari cannot install a profile due to an unknown error on your iPhone. Hope this guide helps you out. If it does, consider sharing and subscribing to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.